Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use lethal hits in Warhammer 40k 10th edition. To do this, first you'll need to check if a profile on a weapon has a little lethal hit on underneath. If it has, then you can move on, let's say, to the shooting phase. This guy will be shooting at this guy, so we make a wound roll, hit roll first. So we're gonna check if we can hit with that weapon, and let's say we did, and one of those rolls was 6. Now when you roll critical hit in a hit roll with lethal hits on a weapon, it automatically wounds your target, which means you don't need to roll on the wound roll for each critical hit, in this case 6. Keep in mind that the critical hit might change. Some profiles allow it to hit on 5 for example. So now we can move on to the wound roll. Let's say that we want wound on 3. This one already passed, and we score additional 2 hits, and now he needs to save from those 3 wounds. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.